Maya, Google just handed everyone a button to strip the AI watermark off their generated images. What could possibly go wrong?
Nothing. Nothing at all, Marcus. Definitely no one on the internet would ever misuse that.
Today we walk through exactly what this new Gemini setting does, the one gotcha nobody's talking about, and whether you should touch it.
So here's the workflow. You generate an image, video, or even music in Gemini, or in Google's video tool flow. Normally there's a little sparkle watermark in the corner marking it as AI.
The sparkle. Very whimsical. Very much in the way if you're putting that image in a slide deck or a thumbnail.
Right. So Google added a new media watermark toggle. Flip it off, and that visible sparkle disappears from your outputs. That's the whole feature. One switch in settings.
Okay, and here's where I put on my skeptic hat, because this is the part the headlines rush past.
The gotcha. Turning off the visible watermark does not turn off the invisible one. According to both TechCrunch and The Verge, Google still embeds a hidden marker that identifies the file as AI-generated.
So you're not going stealth. You're just cleaning up the corner of the frame. The forensic fingerprint is still baked in.
Exactly. Which honestly is the responsible design. You get a cleaner image for legitimate work, but detection tools can still flag it. It's cosmetic, not a cloaking device.
So, the verdict? If you're a creator who hated the sparkle in your final asset, useful, go ahead. If you were hoping to pass AI work off as human-made, this won't save you.
And speaking of creators, Suno just leveled up too, Marcus. Their new Studio 2.0 is trying to look like a real music tool.
The big add is MIDI support, apparently their most requested feature. That's the thing that moves it from a toy generator toward an actual digital audio workstation.
Which matters because MIDI is how you edit notes, not just spit out a finished track. It means you can shape what the AI gives you instead of re-rolling the dice until you get lucky.
The caveat, trying to look like a DAW is The Verge's framing, not mine. Studio 2.0 is a step, not a Pro Tools killer. But paired with that watermark toggle, you can see where this is heading.
One more quick one that's practical for everybody. And it's not a tool, it's a warning. There's an actively exploited Mac vulnerability right now.
Ars Technica reports a screen sharing bug that lets remote attackers log into a Mac with no password, full control, and it's being exploited in the wild as we speak.
So the workflow here is dead simple. Update your Mac now, and if you don't use screen sharing, turn it off in your sharing settings. That's the free fix.
No caveat on that one. Just do it. A 10-second toggle beats handing a stranger the keys to your machine.
So today's throughline: little switches, big consequences. A watermark toggle, a MIDI upgrade, and a sharing setting that could save your whole computer.
That's your AI beat. If you want the useful stuff without the hype, subscribe. This is your daily briefing, and we're back tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're digging into Meta's open-weight glimmer model and whether AI for everyone actually holds up. See you then!